Alright. Okay, keep your distance, Jan. Keep your distance, right?
What was that?
What?
I had soap.
Oh, that's actually a bunch of them.
Yeah.
Is this the serious part or the fun part?
This is the serious part.
Okay.
We always serious.
Let's be serious now.
Okay, now we can go closer together again.
Actually, it's 1.5 meters for 15 minutes, right?
I never heard about the 15 minutes. What happens after the 15 minutes? Then you can cuddle or what?
After 15 minutes, it doesn't matter what you do.
What?
You already have it.
What?
So we can only make this video 14 minutes.
It's like that 5-second rule when you drop food on the floor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But seriously, like from the Czech news, they actually say that for 15 minutes you have to be within 1.5 meters, and then you catch it.
So once.
And if you are not within 1.5 meters or 15 minutes, you don't catch it.
What if I hug you for 10 minutes?
That's okay. It's not 15 minutes.
What?
That's essentially what they say. It's like if you spit on me, let's say
as long as
30
you clean
seconds.
it off.
Yeah, within 15
minutes.
minutes.
Sit there.
You should be good. I don't know. I don't get it either.
Okay, do you want the...
I already did.
Is that actually soap or is it something?
No, we actually put the rubbing alcohol from our cleaning kits inside.
Actually,
Yeah, there's
whose idea was that?
There's Norwich rubbing alcohol in there.
I started, then you already followed. Then
You put the rubbing alcohol in the soap.
yeah, we were running out of soap.
I thought it's crazy. That was so much like crazy.
Okay, anyways, let's start the video. Today's topic,
Coronavirus.
coronavirus.
Because it's what's happening right now in the world, so we thought we will talk about it a little bit.
Yes, and especially because it starts influencing us as well.
Yeah,
Not just
exactly.
as a human being, but also as an airsoft player.
So what is happening actually? No, let's put a disclaimer right here. We have no idea what we are talking about actually. It's just what we hear. We are not informed. We are not doctors, anything like that. So this is just our personal opinion, I would say. So don't take it too seriously, but we will try to be a little bit serious, I guess.
Yes. First of all, Ian, how does it feel to walk as a Chinese-looking person through Vienna?
So far, so good.
So far, so good.
Nobody's like avoiding you or anything like that.
Because
No, I don't think so. But if that's the case in a subway, I would hope they did do it more actively. Subway is always so crowded.
Yeah. But I think actually it's right now it's worse to be Italian than Chinese.
I was looking at a flat because we want to rent a new flat, and we were looking at the flat, and it was rented by Italian people. And I walked inside and like shake their hand. I was like, "Fuck! Don't touch your face! Don't touch your face! Don't touch your face!"
Like 15 minutes later,
Yeah.
like, oh fuck.
There's actually an ad where a woman reads the coronavirus like what to do, and she's like, "Oh, that's interesting," and she like licks her finger and goes to the next page. Man, can we just take those off?
Yeah.
I'm getting
It's
so
really
hot
weird.
to this.
It's weird.
Okay, the virus is not in Austria yet.
35 cases, right?
Huh?
35 cases in
I think
Vienna.
100
In
okay,
Vienna.
wait a second. No, but seriously, what happened last weekend is we went to a game, Yen and I and a couple other people, and they said, okay, this is the last game that's happening here in Bratislava for the next couple of months because the coronavirus. So they shut down any public events where people are gathering, which I think, it's funny that Airsoft is part of this because you don't really touch each other. But anyways, this is happening, and then also when we look at our supply chain, we buy from different countries in Asia, and most of them are affected in some way, and it just doesn't work as good anymore, so that affects us as well.
Actually, last Saturday they also made a law that you cannot have events larger than 100 people in Czech Republic. So it's not only Slovakia, it's also Czech Republic now, and also in Austria, right? Outdoors it's 500 people is the limit.
Yeah.
Which is okay for airsoft. That's a lot. But indoors it's 100. So in Austria it's kind of fine, but who knows what happens next?
I'm just wondering, it makes sense. Obviously, they say, they make a general rule for all kinds of events. But when you think about airsoft, when do you touch each other in airsoft? You're like 80 meters away and then you shoot each other. How?
Yeah, when I load the BBs, when I leak the BBs, I load it. Just add
little
fiction.
yeah.
Just like turning the page but leak the BBs.
But maybe, it's still, you are on the respawn, you are talking to people, so kind of makes sense.
Actually, when you breach a building, you go behind the guy and you whisper in his ear and you go like, let's breach. And that's exactly.
And then you kiss him.
No, you're like, so
Maybe this is
you
the
tap
last
his
time.
shoulder and you just say, you have the virus as well. Yeah.
But don't worry, you are good for 14 days.
Yeah.
Anyways, we wanted to make it a little bit serious, right?
Yes, so it is definitely a completely serious thing. Austria, or at least in our personal lives, we are not affected yet. We are not in quarantine, even though Austria is very close to Italy. We actually share a border.
I think Italy is closed down, right?
It's
You
completely
cannot
locked
go
down,
in or out or anything.
So one huge problem is that there is a batch of guns finished right now, and Jan is supposed to fly over there and QC it, but it's not gonna happen. Now in Europe, this whole thing is escalating. We're so close to Italy that probably very soon it's gonna be like, okay, Austrian people, German people as well, German people,
German,
Italy.
French, Spain, Italy.
So if you go to Asia to certain countries, you walk out the airport and they lock you into quarantine for 14 days. Into a hotel, you just go like 14 days, everybody. It's like a prison basically.
Yeah, and
So-
you have to pay to be in there, not like free prison.
Yeah, it's not like free vacation in
No.
Vietnam, let's go. No, it's not like that.
So how are we gonna solve this?
What we have to do is we let the products be shipped and we have to QC them in our warehouses. You know, we have a warehouse, we have people working there, but it's not as easy. We have to go to, you know, if something is wrong, a part is maybe wrong, we have to take them apart again, we have to go to a CNC vendor in Europe, which costs more money, which it just slows everything down. We can still do it, but it's not as easy as finding mistakes in the factory and fixing them right there. That's an issue, and also development slows down because you want to make the samples of the guns that we develop on the machines that actually make the guns. This also cannot be done right now. So at least not as fast as actually being there. We can still send the samples and stuff, but it's good to, you know, be in the factory and actually get shit done. So
And
that's
also,
difficult.
one big thing is we are getting a lot of requests or questions if our products are actually virus free. No, seriously, people are concerned.
that's a ridiculous question.
From what I've read on the internet, actually the virus dies after like 3 hours
Outside.
after not being in contact with human stuff, matter,
Yeah, it's only
whatever.
survives within human cell, I think.
So the products are okay because they are on the ship for.
They're not. We don't sell humans, so
Yeah,
yeah.
there is no human packed with the guns.
How you don't know? Maybe
No,
one of the companies
disclaimer.
sneaks people.
Disclaimer: Norwich is not included with the SSG.
So the products are okay. Let's get that straight.
Yes.
Right.
Don't worry, we still gotta QC them. It's just harder. It's harder for us. Definitely.
Unless we are sick and we QC them here.
But
But still, it's 3 hours. So if you just ship it per post to the next city,
Yeah.
the virus should be dead, from what I read
Yeah.
on the
So
internet.
they need to be patient. If their package arrive too fast,
oh, you mean if we QC?
If
Okay.
it's like overnight shipping, you know.
Yeah, it's like overnight shipping, but opening your box 24 hours later.
Let it sit there for 3 hours. Just don't touch it. 1.5 meters, and you will be good. In all seriousness, it's okay. It's fine.
What else is affected?
But the games.
I mean, so we cannot play.
Yeah, we cannot play.
And we can still play in Austria, but I think it's just a matter of time. I wanted to look at another flat today to rent, and they actually said, no, you cannot come. It's not allowed to look at flats because this is people gathering. It's like 2 people.
What?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah, you can go to a restaurant and eat, but you're not allowed to look at a flat.
Seriously, that's
Yeah.
so
that's
stupid.
Kind of hard.
They cannot make a new law book for every single
Yeah.
event. It's like they need to react fast and just execute a boom. And if we cannot play Airsoft, so be it. If we stop, this virus from spreading, so be it. I think that's fair.
But you can still play if it's under 100 people.
No,
At-
no.
In,
No.
in Czech Republic,
Yeah,
yes.
Czech Republic.
Here you can as well. In Slovakia,
Slovakia, you can't.
it's I think it has something to do with the villages. They have like their own laws and they prohibit like gatherings and they have to follow it. I
I
read
suppose
correctly.
if one village catches the entire village,
Anyways, what else is there?
Well, what can happen is that we fly to Asia and then we're not allowed to come back. This can actually also happen. How is the situation looking in Taiwan? So all Airsoft products are coming essentially from Taiwan, China, and some of them are made in China but assembled in Hong Kong.
And Japan.
Japan. Okay, let's not forget about Japan, the mecca of Airsoft. Yes, Japan. China, we don't have to talk about it. It's not looking too good, but it's also getting better. Taiwan? What about Taiwan?
from what I read, like not stable yet. It's not like China. China is actually right now, from what I found out, is the infected people actually now comes from outside. The cases inside the country is actually shrinking.
So now-
it's actually not nice. When they realize that the threat is coming from outside, they just no,
Nobody's coming.
yeah, nobody's coming.
What I'm wondering the most is if you are like locked down, quarantine, like how do you get food? Is there trucks coming in the supermarket?
Well, it's like you're in a hotel and you go to the hotel canteen to eat. You just pay.
I think the people bring it to your room.
I don't know what I'm saying.
Apart from the hotel, like Italy, like what's the situation right now? If it's completely locked down, if a city is locked down, can actually trucks with supplies come in?
I've heard that there's a couple hours that each block is like
They
allowed to buy
probably copied
groceries.
the Chinese way.
Yeah.
Basically, from what I heard is during the day there are a defined hour that someone in your family is allowed to go, like not the entire family out, but you can send one person out to purchase.
And then in the supermarkets, always just one person in,
Yeah.
one person out, one person in, one person out.
Kind of impressive how they managed to really enforce that, considering how many people they have.
Yeah, but then they have a supermarket around every corner, so
Yeah.
I guess that's fine. Okay, anyways, I guess we can wrap it up right here.
I think
Can
for
we?
now, that's it. Like what's happening, there is no news really. I mean, for us.
No news that we can tell you that you don't already know about.
For us, like that's it. That's what's happening. We cannot really play airsoft to some degree, and the supply chain. That's the problem. But other than that, it's not affecting us yet, right?
Not yet.
We have no sick people here, so
We think so.
For
Give me the soap!
Putting this one now we know.
Is it actually a mix of alcohol and soap?
Yeah,
Because I have sticky hands afterwards.
man, it's soap. Come on,
You're supposed to wash with water afterwards.
That's why.
like I thought it's like the gel, but it's not the gel. You just grabbed the first thing you saw, right?
Yeah. Okay, anyways, how does it affect you? You know, you the audience watching, if you're from Italy, man, let us know what's happening. If you're from Taiwan, Hong Kong, if you're from China, you probably can't see this because YouTube is banned. Maybe you see it anyways. Let us know in the comments below what's happening for you.
If we have some news, if something changes, we will make another episode of coronavirus and airsoft.
Yeah, but then like with the mask. and
Yeah,
shit
then
on,
we will
because
take it-
Austria is probably infected as well by then.
We will take it more seriously next time. For now, just we just had a little bit of fun. I hope you are not offended. If you are, sorry.
Sorry, not sorry.
Thanks for watching, and we see you guys hopefully on the next video when we're not all sick here in Austria.
Or dead.
Let's pray that's not gonna happen. Nah, I don't die. Hopefully. Good.
Proper ending.
I think that's proper.
Okay. Good.
It is the next day. We are recording another video, but we have new information on the coronavirus. This video that you see, it's published today, and this is recorded basically 5 hours before the video is actually published. And we have new information.
Yeah, we have new information. So before our editor managed to cut the video, actually the situation in Czech Republic changed. So like an hour ago, the government in Czech Republic announced the emergency status. So I don't even know if I can go home at this moment. I don't know exactly what is happening. Everything is closing down. All the restaurants, everything. I have to dig a little bit deeper. And all the events above 30 people are cancelled. So everything above 30 people done. So that's probably most of the airsoft games. And yeah, who knows what's gonna happen next. Yeah,
University stopped in Vienna. The
everything.
students just have to learn from home. Stopped for an entire month.
Yeah.
Until further notice. Yeah, I think that's it. And it seems like it's coming. I think we have 250 confirmed cases in Austria by today. Let's see where it goes, because the curve is not like this. It's usually like...
It's exponential. It's a virus. So
Why are you laughing?
What was the gunshots and guns downstairs?
they are shooting downstairs.
Oh, the gunshots, yeah. People are shooting guns in the office all the time.
Yeah.
Too bad we can't shoot the virus. It's like...
Not like in America, you just shoot the tornado or whatever.
yeah. Guns usually solve all problems.
That's probably why
Not this time.
That's probably why the government closed everything down, because they were like, "Can we shoot the virus?" Like, no.
Can I shoot the patient?
Yeah, just shoot. Okay, let's end it right here before
Yeah.
completely politically incorrect.
So yesterday it was kind of a funny video for us, but today it's getting a little bit more serious.
Yes.
Especially for me, because I'm from Czech Republic and I don't know if I can go home right now or if I can go back. Who knows what's gonna happen? Anyways, if something changes, we will make another video on this topic. Hopefully we will survive.
See you hopefully next week.
Yeah.